If you love outdoors, if you love hiking, if you love jogging, if you love working out or camping, you need to check this product out. If you have not seen it before, it can be a lifesaver. Do you know that heat strokes can be life-threatening? It is scary, but it's real and it can happen without you even realizing it. I have some recommendations for you to stay hydrated, healthy, and to keep us safe from this heat. We have to be equipped with the right product and right tips to survive summer and beyond, because it is hot and it's dangerous. Before we give you more information about this one, I just have to say thank you, the Zipcar store from Amazon. I'm loving it. I tried it a few times already, and I gotta tell you, it is a must-have. It comes with a water bladder that attaches inside the backpack. How cool is that? So I seal it. Goes in this side pocket and it's insulated to secure it. This compartment here, just to put, other things. You can just put your iPad, and another compartment on the front too for your phone, almost that's nice. Your helmet, or you can do another water bottle, your keys. It is lightweight, so don't feel that you're gonna be carrying a lot of weight with you. Gotta tell you, it is not heavy. It has adjustable straps, so actually the weight can be divided between your torso and your waist, so you can attach it and it will work comfortably and nothing is gonna be moving around. I think it is just so cool. It comes in a lot of different colors, and again, you don't have to carry your water bottle anymore. You don't have to worry about it if it's lost inside the bag or if it's gonna spill. It is great to take for hiking, to cycling, if you're gonna go camping, park, or even a theme park. I think it's gonna be so cool to take if you go to Disney World or Universal Studios. I mean, I think your kids will love this too for school. What you gotta do, you can remove the bladder, and then you can do their Capri Sun juices or high seas or their water bottles on this compartment. I will keep them cool for up to like 5 hours, which is kind of neat. You can do your iPad, you can do phone, and store more things. It's so sleek. I love the design. It comes in a lot of different colors. I chose the emerald green. I think it's just so beautiful. I love that color, and I think this will make the perfect gift. Actually, I'm gonna buy a few of this for some of my family members and friends that they love outdoor activities, and I think they're gonna have a lot of use out of this. I recommend for you to hydrate twice a day, morning and night. You can use whatever brand that you want. Now this one specifically provides 48-hour hydration, so it has not broke me out. I'm acne prone skin. I've been using this for about 2 months now and I love it. It's anti-aging, but it keeps my skin nice and moist. Also, using hyaluronic acid at nighttime, it is very good also to keep the water molecules in your pores and keep glowy and hydrated on your skin, and avoid obviously wrinkles. So make sure that you use your eye cream twice a day as well, and use sunglasses. The skin under our eyes doesn't produce any oil, so that's the part that ages usually first. So they have to keep moist and hydrated and protected. So make sure that you have your sunglasses at hand when you're going to be outdoors. Also, it protects the health of your eyes. Using the right hat, something with a brim like this. This one is a UVA, UVB type of fabric. You gotta use the right sunblock. This one is by Skin Better Science. Totally love it. And again, you can choose whatever sunblock that you want for your face, but I recommend if you find one with SPF 75, even better. And spray all over my arms, my chest, all over my body. Make sure that you keep reapplying every hour or so. This one is by Coppertone, SPF 30, and if you can get one SPF 50 or higher, even better. You can still enjoy summer, still enjoy outdoors. Just want to make sure that you are prepared when you go outside. Take your time to prepare for the day, have the right item. I recommend this product. Check it out for you, check it out for your kids, check it out for a loved one. Will make a perfect gift. Wear this again for any outdoor activities. This one again is by Sitkar. I like that company. They offer a lifetime warranty on their products, so you know that they're gonna provide you with the best quality as possible for any outdoor gear. They also make a lovely water bottle, which I'm obsessed with. And again, a lot of compartments, a lot of zippers within a zipper. So you can do your phone, you can do your card keys, you can do your book, iPad. I like the ones on the side. That's how I actually wore it yesterday when I was riding my bike. You can put your phone there. You can actually do your headphones there on the side. It will make the perfect gift. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody and they look outdoors, think about this one. And I can't breathe anymore because it's so hot, so hot. I know it might seem like very logical, but we forget. So I hope that this stays in your mind, in your brain, to make sure that you are taking the necessary steps to stay healthy, to stay young, to stay fabulous. Eat light, something that is a water-based. Watermelons are great as well. All right, thank you so much for watching. It's been such a pleasure spending this little time with you. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of Fashion Beauty in the Mix. Love you all and have an amazing and blessed day.